Love doing shit up. Eighth of a turn at a time.
The hot side of the turbo is a hell of a lot smaller. Welcome back, guys. So what we're going to be doing now is just quickly opening up some bits. This is obviously for the car, and it's going to be going on while the subframe is off, so it's going to just have everything. But a couple of packages. I started to unwrap it just to make my life a little bit easier, but the first one, I've actually got one still waiting at the post office as well, so it wasn't in, signed for it. Mega wrapped. The package inside a package inside a package. I feel like this is the least exciting thing. This is the little nut that pretty much we rounded. Well, not rounded, that rusted away. But this bad boy in here, this is from RTR. We'll just double check. Sweet! Always makes it better. Legend. He said he was going to chuck some stickers in for me as well, so we just love a good sticker. Oh yeah. His name was George, and he has sent me, hopefully, we have, oh bloody hell, they're weighty. What's in there? This is all the wishbone mounts. So I bought the wishbone stuff, that was the most expensive one. So I'm pretty sure it was 135, 35, maybe 30, I think. So we've got steering rack bushes. Pretty much I'm doing all the bushes you can do with the subframe off. It's going to make it easy, and it's going to replace them and hopefully make it solid. Yes, solid is going to bring more rattles. We're going to have to do it. It saves in the future these all the bushes going rubbish. Anti-roll bar outer, anti-roll bar inner. One's 25 mil and the other one's 23. So those two there, both the anti-roll bar, they are the only purple ones. These other two are black. They only seem to do the wishbone in black. Don't know why. I guess it's just because of the part that it is. And the same with the steering rack bushes. They're in black as well. So a big old buy, but yeah, hopefully it's going to stiffen her up and we never have to change these bushes or get the subframe off ever again.
Mine says no.
What, bigger?
What's a twat? Go on.
21. You know what?
I mean, a little bit of poo came out, but it moved. Right, and hopefully love doing shit up. Eighth of a turn at a time.
Toys?
FT. That's that on, and then
because all the oil sorted. Plugged in, had to move the AC a bit. But once that was out of the way, it seemed to go in quite nicely. And there, it's going to run around and in, hopefully. Getting there. Many issues, but we're getting there. This is the kind of situation we're in. Stuff. So Josh in his spare time got the sump back on, a few new bolts. Put it through the cleaner as work or something. Look at it. That's the oil drain. I'm not sure I've shown it too well last time. The hot side of the turbo is a hell of a lot smaller. Sump plugs back in. Copper nuts. So the oil feed's done by Josh. Runs around and then I'm just tightening up the manifold. So I've had a couple of people ask me about the steering rack. She is just hanging currently. Got those three on. Arms going dead. Arms going dead.
2 more to go. Offered up the old exhaust. See what we're looking at. Am I allowed to leave now?
Yeah, you can leave. Done. Clampy McClamp clamp.
Clampy muck clamp.
Copper nutted everywhere. Beautiful. Set the welding on that wastegate arm. That's not beautiful at all.
Don't look at that one. That's right.
Of course, it's fucked. It's like it was still some zinc plating on it.
I'll hide that behind the water. There we go, so you can't see it. It's just a bit manky, isn't it?
Can you put your thumb on that when it comes off?
Oh.
Ready?
Yeah. Then what?
Wait.
So I'm ready.
Go.
Maybe.
All of that.
Well, all of that's going to have to tuck. Is it not?
Yeah, probably. Try to get the end of that hold.
Yes.
Let's try this again, shall we? There, hold it there. No, you've moved it. There, hold it there.
See, these like to break when they take them out.
Yeah, I know.
Do you know?
Yeah, I've broken like 2 or 3 of them
Need
because
a-
I've done my mates.
Yeah.
Quite honest, difficult.
You have a technique?
Yeah, break it.
Which does? You start wrist it here.
Yeah, done. So 3, 4. This is a new one, is it? A positive pressure one, yeah?
It's the new one.
There we go.
Never realised you can
Boosted.
shit like
Let's
that.
worry about the boost pipe. Really.
Look at that.
Worry about the boost pipe first. Get the boost pipes done and worry about that.
Clearer than what it was.
Yeah.
It's just the hot side, isn't it? There's loads of air.
Yeah, the hot side's just like massively further away.
Alright guys, so that's it for part 4. A massive step forward. I'm feeling really confident about that. This is just Josh testing the wastegate just to make sure it works, because obviously we have to weld it around the oil line. Quite interesting actually, he's just using an airline to sort of blow into that and make the lever move back and forward to make sure it was clear. Looking underneath the car now, just having a little look at the exhaust pipe work and showing you a bit more of the turbo in situ really, but looking really, really good. Thanks for tuning in as always guys, slide on down and like it. I appreciate you guys, and we'll catch you next time.